Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we tackle everyday tech troubles with simple, straightforward solutions. Today, we're diving into the video titled 139. How to Fix Spectrum Modem Blinking Blue, 2025. If your Spectrum modem is flashing that frustrating blue light, don't panic. It's often a sign of a temporary issue like a network glitch, firmware problem, or even a loose cable. This guide will help you resolve it quickly, so let's jump right in. First things first, start with the basics. Check all your cables. Make sure the power cord, coaxial cable, and Ethernet connections are securely plugged in. Sometimes, a simple wiggle or reset can fix the problem. If that doesn't work, try a good old restart. Unplug your modem from the power source, wait for about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This power cycle can refresh the system and clear minor glitches. Next, if the blue light persists, it's time to check for firmware updates. Log into your Spectrum account online or use the Spectrum app to see if there's an available update for your modem. Follow the prompts to install it, as outdated firmware is a common culprit. Once that's done, give your modem a few minutes to reboot and reconnect. If you're still seeing that blinking blue, consider a factory reset. This will erase any custom settings, so use it as a last resort. To do this, locate the reset button on your modem, usually on the back, and hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. Your modem will restart with default settings, and you might need to reconfigure your Wi-Fi network afterward. Finally, if none of these steps work, it's best to contact Spectrum support. They can run diagnostics remotely or schedule a technician visit. Remember, issues like hardware faults might require professional help. There you have it. Simple steps to get your Spectrum modem back to normal. This video was all about empowering you to fix things yourself. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.